Hello, my name is Nurlijma Shariza binti Suhaimi, matrix number 20209.9.HD01.0021. Today, I will present about time management. The meaning of time management is simply the better use of time. It is the way to evaluate, streamline, and plan the things that we will do and the times we will spend on those activities. The primary aim of the time management is to establish and process a process that helps us do more and better quality work in a day. Besides, time management is a systematic approach to organizing and planning your time for different activities. Mastering the art of time management at the workplace increases your efficiency and productivity. We can do more in less time and stay focused and deliver even under strict deadlines in high pressure work environments. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Arhan Natasha binti Abdullah. My matrix number is 2020.9.HD01.0017. So this is the benefit of time management. It also can lower stress and anxiety level. If we are constantly facing burning deadline, we are likely to have high stress level. Most students are feeling incredibly anxiety if they fail to complete their assignment on time. However, effective time management can help you put your learning activities under strict control. If you have a deadline plan on how to write your college paper step by step and set up deadline for each iteration, we won't feel too stressed because of learning. Moreover, self-discipline allow you to have a better mood and boost your effectivity.
The importance of time management is that we can do tasks on time. This is because the time management that we have managed has a very positive impact on us. For example, by managing our time well, we can be punctual and self-disciplined. We will not be a hurry to complete it due to time constraint. Therefore, time management is very important to us, especially to students, because it can help them be on time to complete assignment on time. Thank you.
So in conclusion, time management is a very important skill to be learned and to be mastered in order to have a better lifestyle. By managing well time, you will no longer suffer from stress and your works or tasks will be done on time and with great quality time. Remember that it is important to have an attitude to change your schedules and to change procrastination. Also take into account all of the explained strategies that are very helpful to achieve a better time management. It is important to add that sports also provide to helpful hand of time management and also permit your body to be healthy and to have a better social circle.